Hello guys, my name is June. A few months ago, I did a road trip in the north of Peninsular Malaysia in my Subaru Forester. Well, now that I have a new camping rig, a Toyota Land Cruiser, it is time to embark on another road trip. This time round, covering the south of Peninsular Malaysia. This is gonna be a multiple episode series with double the fun, double the excitement. I will be sharing the joy, the pain, the excitement, the challenges, and all the bittersweet moments of this adventure. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss an episode. In the previous episode, I did my last leg of the East Coast journey, cruising from Mersing to Kuantan and then further up north to Cherating. The campsite this time was a paradise where I enjoyed some solitude and indulged in some yummy seafood. In this episode, I bid goodbye to the East Coast and drive inland for a change of scene to the green lush tropical rainforest to spend the night. From Cherating, it is just about an hour of driving before I arrive in the outskirts of Kuantan, where my next camp spot is. Rolling hills of palm oil plantation. I am here. I'm in Sungai Pandan Waterfall, and this is the campsite which is just beside the waterfall. JIWACAMP at Sungai Pandan Waterfall. This is the main campground, JIWACAMP, but of course car camping is not allowed here. This is only for ground tents. There's a camper over there. Where is the registration counter? Quite beautiful out here.
Satu option lah kalau you nak teduh dekat sini.
Okay. Okay juga.
So dia punya tapak sebenarnya sana.
Mana?
Dia area yang I barricade tu kan. So itu tapak resak.
Okay.
You boleh duduk sana, tapi kalau you nak teduh, you boleh
sini.
masuk ke PEC.
Sini okay. Boleh.
So you bawa drive, you reverse. Masuk kat situ.
Dia kena ngam-ngam antara sini dengan sini masuk lah.
You masuk sini, you reverse nanti dia kan.
Okay. Boleh.
Then you rapat di sini.
Alright. This is Encik Regime, JIWACAMP campsite owner. So this is the car camping ground. I'm gonna reverse park over here because it's quite well shaded. Okay, so waterfall kat arah sana lah.
Waterfall 300 meters.
300 meters.
So two option to go there. Ada by road, and you're going to see ada kedai-kedai dekat sana jual makanan lah.
Oh, buka ke hari ni?
Weekdays, I rasa tak lah.
Nasib baik ada tapau.
And then ataupun you cross over using this steel bridge ni kan. You cross over and then you walk straight.
Okay.
But sekarang waterfall punya kolam sangat dalam, 7 meters.
Okay.
So tak boleh mandi lah, kita tutup. Tapi you nak ambil gambar boleh.
Oh.
Tapi nak mandi bawah sikit daripada waterfall tu boleh. Not in the main pond lah.
Okay.
Not in the main pool tu bahaya.
Okay. Boleh.
Bawah
Yang
sikit
bawah sikit.
Bawah sikit boleh, dekat bawah jambatan gantung tu boleh mandi.
Baik. Okay, I have parked up the car at this car camping spot under a big tree just by the creek. So I'm just gonna leave the car first. I've packed up my camera gears, my lunch and snacks and water. It's just a short walk from here to the sorry about that noise. It's the grass cutter and the leaf blower. But yeah, from the campsite it's just 300 meters to the waterfall. So let's take a walk and have our lunch there at the waterfall. There are two ways to get to the waterfall. One is to drive or walk on the left, and the other way is to walk on this side. So I'm gonna walk on this side. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon right now. Very hot and sunny. So I'm gonna look for a well-shaded spot under some trees to just relax and have my lunch. Pretty happy I finally made it here. I made a stop here last year on my previous road trip, but it was unfortunate for me because I came on a Friday when it is closed to the public. So yeah, this time around I'm finally here. Okay, this is man-made. Basically a small pool over here. But oh, I'm getting a sneak peek of the waterfall already. I'll slowly get there. Look at this beauty! Oh wow!
Sungai Pandan waterfall cascades from 250 meters above to 3 levels of cliffs and finally splashes into an enormous emerald pool. It's probably the largest multi-tiered waterfall in Peninsular Malaysia. Absolutely breathtaking.
Okay, I've had my lunch and I'm gonna go for a dip, and I think I'm gonna go to the blue pool because it looks very inviting. So let's go this way. I gotta take a dip fast because I see dark clouds coming. So I mean, this is the blue pool. I mean, I don't know if it's called the blue pool. I mean, it looks blue to me, so I'm just gonna call it the blue pool. But look at how inviting it is. Just beneath the waterfall. Let's go. Back at camp, which is just a short walk away, 5 to 10 minute walk. This is Resak car camping zone, and there it is. Say Tariq. What a refreshing change from the beach to the jungle. So I'm just playing with color pencils, just trying to draw out my first draft or my first rough design of how I want the interior to be. Yeah, I have zero knowledge and experience in interior designing, so I'm just winging it. I'm gonna have a ready-to-eat meal. This is Ibrahim's daging masak hitam and white rice. I'm just gonna put this in a water bath for a few minutes, and then for greens I'm just gonna slice up some cucumber. And one more egg left. Might as well just add that in. Probably not deep enough a pot, but that's okay. I'll just do this for a few minutes and then flip. Okay, I think it's ready. Been boiling it for 8 to 10 minutes. Oh, that should do. I'm not sponsored by Brahim's, guys. It's just that all of this has been sitting in my emergency food stash for a long time. If I don't eat it now, it's gonna expire end of this year. Okay, let's serve. Okay. Oh, it is hot. Ooh, that's a lot of rice. I think that should be enough. I'm just gonna have half of it. Okay. All right. Smells really good. This is beef, daging masak hitam. This is pretty good. Wow, it's pretty good. Some egg. Cucumber.
From waking up to the sound of sea waves to waking up to the sound of the forest. It's a nice transition. I'm loving the music, the symphony out here. The birds, the cicadas, the gentle dewdrops on my awning. Such a beautiful morning out here. I wish I could stay longer, but I have to break camp now because I need to head back to Kuantan, just a 30-minute drive from here, to meet someone. So let me just pack up and I'll see you guys soon. Just for curiosity's sake, I'm gonna pack up my awning and my rooftop tent and see how long I take. So I've got a stopwatch. Let's start. Okay, 5 minutes 50 seconds for the awning. Took a little bit longer because it's wet, so I need to shake it off. So about five minutes plus for awning, and now the rooftop tent. Done. Okay, so it was 8 minutes 18 seconds. Awning about 5 minutes or so. The tent about a minute or two. This is what I love about this setup. It's so quick to pitch and it's so quick to break camp. A shout out to the campsite owner of JIWACAMP. When I was just about to leave, the campsite owner, Mr. Regime, gave me a few farewell gifts. Like, this is a sticker of the camp, JIWACAMP, and this is a small little stick made of rattan with a handle over here, mainly to protect ourselves from any animals. And also this small little wood chip over here. This is called Raja Kayu. It's supposed to be some sort of a protection. So I don't know much about it. I'm gonna go back and Google, but yeah, this is really thoughtful of the campsite owner. So thank you, JIWACAMP. Alright, let's go!
Coming up in the next episode, a good friend joins me on the last leg of my road trip, bathing a baby elephant, going on a culinary adventure. This is gonna be an exciting one. I'll see you in the next video.